Hi, I'm Mark from Reselco, and today I want to talk to you about the benefits of the new Reselco adjustable desk riser. As many people are now aware, sitting for extended periods of time throughout the day can be detrimental to your health and well-being. This has been well documented in numerous publications such as the Smithsonian Magazine, New York Times, and the Wall Street Journal. By standing a few times throughout the day, it can be beneficial to both your health and your well-being. The Reselco adjustable desk riser is a lightweight riser that has 5 points of adjustment from 6.5 inches up to 16.3 inches. The top surface of the Reselco adjustable desk riser is 32 inches wide. This allows ample space for up to 2 monitors, a laptop, a mouse, and a notepad. The retractable keyboard tray was specifically designed with enough depth for a laptop computer when in the seated position. You can actually configure your Reselco ADR to hold either a desktop computer system, a laptop computer, or both at the same time. The Reselco adjustable desk riser locking levers are located at the back of the top surface. By pulling up on the levers, you unlock the desktop, allowing the surface to rise or descend. The 5 points of adjustment are 1 being in the lowest level, 3 points in between, and the maximum height being the 5th point allowable. To lower from the 5th point, apply a slight pressure to the locking levers while pushing with your arms down on the top surface. The locking levers will slide into the place of each point of adjustment. Let me demonstrate how easy the Reselco adjustable desk riser is to use and lock in place. Enjoy a healthier lifestyle, feel better while you work, and go out and invest in a Reselco adjustable desk riser today.
The Halter ED258 Elevating Desktop is a contemporary rising desk made to comfortably transform your sitting desk into a standing workstation. This desktop features 2 large flat surfaces and has space for your monitor, laptop, keyboard, mouse, and many other work items you may need. The Halter ED358 has been tailor-made to fit into any work area. Converting is done by easily pulling on the comfortable handles according to your desired height. Our uniquely designed mechanism allows you to effortlessly raise it to your comfort height. This makes your new desk extremely easy to raise and lower in seconds. It ascends straight up without intruding into your personal area. Pull lightly on the handle and push gently down to lower it according to your height, or lower it all the way down for a pleasant, beautiful sitting desk workstation. The Halter elevated desk raises to over 16 inches high. This easy-to-use sit-stand desk comes fully pre-assembled and is set up and ready to use right out of the box. So personalize your workspace and get energized with your standing Halter adjustable desk today.
You're looking for a standing desk, one that doesn't break the budget, but one that doesn't break down. A standing desk that is simple to use, with a wide surface and a sliding keyboard tray so you can type easily while sitting or standing, and one that lifts and lowers easily. Some of those pricier models are just that, pricier models. Pricier models with the same benefits. It's time to take a stand for your health and for your wealth with the Desk Riser 32-inch standing desk.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.